Good morning, all our viewers. This is S. Srinivas Reddy. As a motivational speaker, this is a second topic to me, and my topic is what is the importance of conscious choice in our life. So, for the purpose of understanding conscious choice in our life, first we will understand what is unconscious choice. So, generally, animals can apply unconscious choice in their life, whereas we as a human beings, we apply unconscious choice in our life. So for example, I will tell you a small example to you. When a cow see vegetables in vegetable shop, directly it will go to the shop and it will start eating the vegetables from that shop. When that cow starts eating, that animal doesn't know whether it is right or wrong, and it doesn't know whether that shopkeeper is going to uh, beat that animal. Means that that animal is applying unconscious choice in their life. So whenever whatever things those animals are going to do, that animals are not going to apply conscious choice, they are going to apply unconscious choice. When animals apply unconscious choice, they don't expect that they are going to get result whether positively or negatively. So for that same shop, if a man will go to buy a vegetables, so that man is going to think whether I have sufficient money in my pocket or not. By concentrating on the money, by concentrating on the available vegetable items, that man is going to buy vegetables from vegetable shop. So here man is going to apply conscious choice. So for the purpose of applying conscious choice in our life, we have conscious choice model is there. So in conscious choice model, we have stimulus, my choice, my response. So for getting a stimulus, external self and inner self is going to play an important role. Then what is external self? External self is nothing but physical body. In physical body, we have 5 sense organs: eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin. These 5 sense organs we are going to consider as external self. Next, inner self will be there. Then what is an inner self? Your soul, your mind, your identity, your intelligence, these all are going to be called as inner self. Both by using external self, internal self, you are going to get stimulus. So when you are going to get stimulus, number of choices will come. Out of number of choices, you are going to select only one option. So when you are going to get that one choice, for that one choice you are going to give a response. So in our life also, in education, in employment, in learning, in doing a business, so try to apply conscious choice in place of unconscious choice. Because when you apply conscious choice in your life, then 100% you are going to get positive result. So positive result is going to depends upon your application of conscious choice. So in application of conscious choice, your 5 sense organs and your inner self, means that your soul, mind, intelligence, these all are going to play an important role. When a small child is there, when is a small child, if he is not socialized, so generally he is going to apply unconscious choice. But after applying unconscious choice, he will get result. So when he is going to get result negatively, he is going to realize that, so this is not correct, because of that reason only I have got negative result from surrounding area. So next time, in place of unconscious choice, he will apply a conscious choice. In the same manner, as a student, try to apply conscious choice in your life, conscious model, choice model in your life, so that you are going to get positive result. Okay, thank you for giving me an opportunity, and next time I will take another topic. Thank you.